In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you. Welcome to the second episode of the Book of Light. In this episode, we are starting off with Surah Baqarah, the second chapter of the Holy Quran. Alif Lam Mim. This is the Book of God. There is no doubt in it. It is the guidance for those who fear God, for those who believe in the unseen, who are regular in prayer and who spend out of what God has given them. They believe in what is revealed to you, Prophet Muhammad, and in what was revealed before you, and they have firm faith in the hereafter. They are guided by their Lord. They are truly successful. O Prophet, it is all the same for the unbelievers, whether you warn them or not, for they will not believe. God has set a seal on their hearts and their hearing. There is a cover on their eyes. There is a great punishment for them. There are some people who say, we believe in God and the last day, but they do not really believe. They think they deceive God and the believers. However, they deceive only themselves, and they do not realize this. There is a disease in their hearts, so God has increased their disease. There is a painful punishment for them because they used to tell lies. When they are told not to make mischief on earth, they say, we want only to set things right. They are the ones who make mischief. However, they do not realize this. When they are asked to believe as others have believed, they say, what shall we believe as the fools believe? Indeed, it is they who are the fools, and they do not realize this. When they meet the believers, they assure them of their faith. However, when they are with their evil companions, they tell them, we are really with you. We were only mocking and pretending to be believers. God will throw back their mockery on them. He has granted them an opportunity to wander in their rebellion. They are the ones who have preferred error in place of guidance, so their exchange has not brought them any benefit. They are not on the straight path. Their example is that of a person who lit a fire, and when it lighted all around him, God took away his light and left him in total darkness, and he cannot see anything. They are deaf, dumb, and blind. They will never return to the straight path. Or they are like those who are under heavy rain from the sky, marked by darkness, thunder, and lightning. They press their fingers into their ears out of the fear and thunder and death, but God surrounds these unbelievers. It is as if lightning takes away their sight. Whenever there is lightning, they walk a little, and when darkness covers them, they stand still. Had God willed, He would have taken away their hearing and their sight. Surely God has power over everything. O people, serve your Lord who has created you and those before you. Do this so that you may be saved. Your Lord has made, He has made the earth your resting place and the sky like a roof for you. He has sent down water from above, and with this brought forth fruits for your food. So do not take anyone as equal to God while you know the truth. If you are in doubt about the Quran, which God has revealed to His servant Prophet Muhammad, then produce a surah or a chapter of the Holy Quran like this, and call all your supporters for this, if you are true. But if you cannot do so, and surely you cannot do this, then fear the hellfire, of which men and stones, false gods in the form of idols, are fuel. It is prepared for the unbelievers. O Prophet, give good news to those who believe and do good. For them are the gardens of paradise, beneath which rivers flow. When a fruit from paradise will be given to them, they will exclaim, this is what was given to us before. There will indeed be something similar. They will have these pure spouses and will live there forever. God does not mind using the example of a small insect or something even more lowly. The believers know that it is the truth from their Lord. However, the unbelievers keep saying, what does God mean by this example? By this Quran, he causes many to go astray, and by this he guides many, but he causes only the evil ones to go astray. They are those who break their pledge with God after confirming it and cut off the relationship which God has asked them to maintain. They spread mischief on earth. They thus cause loss to themselves. How can you reject God while it is He who brought you the life when you were without life? Again, it is He who will cause you to die and then bring back you to life. You will return to Him. He has created for you all the things which are on earth. Moreover, it is He who designed the heavens and gave order and perfection to the 7 heavens. He knows everything. O Prophet, bring to mind when your Lord told the angels, I will place a Visurgent on earth. They said, will you place on it one who will do mischief and shed blood there? We keep celebrating your praise and glorifying you. He told them, I know what you do not know.